back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. I'm going to show you some of my favorite things I've been enjoying lately, especially this past month, because I guess because it's been Halloween. I don't know, I've just really been loving some of this shit. So, let's start off with lip stuff, because I think I have the most of that. I don't know. So I bought the Trick and Treat colors from Sugarpill. And this is the Trick, the black one, like the orange glitter. I fucking love this. I wore this like 1,000 times last month. It is so pretty. It's got orange glitter in it, and it's fucking great. I love this lipstick. Liquid lip. I love this lip shit. Whatever. And the first time I tried this on, you saw it and it was fucking great. And I still feel exactly the same way. It is the Unicorn Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick from AOA Studio on shopmissa.com. I fucking love this color. It's so pretty. I've gotten compliments on it every time I've worn it. It's an awesome lipstick. And it's $1. It makes it 20 times better. I have a couple of things on here from Shop Miss A, because I fucking love that store. And it's $1 and it's great. And if you don't like it, you might want to stop watching now. Just so you know. I had to purposely try not to use this palette because I'd used it so much last month. The Sanderson Sisters palette from Pretties for Your Face. It's only 5 pans. Sorry. But just, they're all so pretty. I wore the orange, the purple, the green. I just wore it every day. I loved it so much. I love this formula of these shadows. And they all look beautiful on your eyes. She's coming out with a... What was it? I think it was Nightmare Before Christmas palette for the holidays, which I am going to get because I'm excited and I fucking love the Nightmare Before Christmas. But yeah, this one was only 20 bucks at prettiesforyourface.com. And if you use the code Kara, you get 20% off. And then I bought like 3 of them at the Shop Miss A in the AOA brand. I just use this one, so it's like wet and big. They have these face sponges, whatever, the blenders. These are great. The different colors are different, like densities and hardness and light and stuff. I like all of them because I don't have a preference for a hard one or a smushy one or any of that. But they work amazing. I love them. And they're $1. This one I got a while ago. It's these mini face blenders. I got this from like the Wish app or some shit. It was like 97 cents for 4 of them. But they're just the mini ones. And they are perfect for doing your concealer under your eye. It's just amazing. I love these. They're the perfect size. I may just do it, not really get wet because they don't really absorb anything. But they're perfect for getting under your eyes. Another thing from Shop Miss A, I told you there's going to be a bunch, so, is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This is the 3rd one I've bought. This stuff is great. This one is in Soft Light. And they're so finely milled and just blend and go in perfectly. Just beautiful on the skin. It's amazing that it's such a great powder. I'm shocked. I love it. Okay, this is the last thing from Shop Miss A, I promise. They have these Lumi blushes. And they're I got this one and I loved it. So of course I bought all the colors because I'm stupid like that. This one is my very favorite. Is Wine. And it's got a little bit of like shimmer in it. So you don't need to add extra highlighter. You can just put the blush on and it's gorgeous. And it's got like 7 colors, but I have them all because they're $1 and I wanted them. And they're all really pretty, but this one is my favorite color. Okay, 2 more things. First is the smell from Zany Laney, You Know Nothing. This is my favorite fucking smell in the world. I bought it in a spray because I got it in the body scrub and I fucking loved it. So I had to get the spray and I spray it all the time. It's fruit, green ivy, and violet. And it just smells so good. It smells really fresh. And I'll link the video where I explain it more and better up here. But it smells really good. Okay, last but not least, this, I'm mentioning it now also because it's limited time and it's going off sale pretty soon. And because I'm totally a basic white bitch, I guess. I've been loving this Native deodorant because I love this shit. And if you want to look at the site or sign up for it, I have a link below. Each get like a free trial size if you order with that link. But that's it. And you don't have to. You can just go to nativecos.com and buy it. But the limited time scent is Pumpkin Spice Latte. And it smells so good. You know, I don't give a fuck. Think what you want. I like it. When I raise my arm, it smells like my armpit's been drinking pumpkin spice coffee. I enjoy that, alright? Leave me alone. But if you like pumpkin spice and the smell of it and a teeny bit of coffee smell, get this deodorant. It smells really good. And that's all my favorite like makeup and shit that I've been enjoying this month. No really new music that I've really been listening to. Or any different foods. So that's the stuff that I've been enjoying this past month or so since I did my last favorite video. Because I just kind of do them whenever the fuck I feel like it. I don't do them by season or by month or any of that crap. I just do when I feel like I have a lot of new and different favorite things that I haven't told you about. So, I felt it was due now. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Filming my favorites. I got up and I went to leave and I noticed a couple things that were hidden on my shelf that I forgot to mention. So this is part 2. Because I forgot it. It'll be the same video. So it's not like it really matters. But I got this cleanser in my BoxyCharm. It's the Green Clean Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I fucking love this shit. It's like green. It's got like a really light, clean lemon scent. And it just wipes your makeup away. It makes your face feel so soft. And just, this is amazing. I love this stuff. And then I do have some other shit from the dollar store, the dollar website. Not the dollar store. I mean, it is, but it's like the dollar website, so it's different. It's not like Dollar Tree. I'm just saying. But they have these new face creams. They have 2 retinol and they have a collagen one. I have both. This cream is fucking great. Like, it goes on so nice. And it's not oily. It absorbs in your skin. And I wake up and my face is just so soft and beautiful. This facial cream is great. And then during the Ulta 10, 12 Days of Beauty or whatever it's called, I had the Too Faced Hangover RX for half price. I got 2 of them. This has always been and will forever be my favorite primer, but I won't pay full price for it. So, but I love this primer. If it's on sale, or you can get a sample, I suggest you go get it. Oh, and lately, I've been using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's just been great. It blends in really nice, and it's a nice highlighting on your skin. I really like this. So those were the rest of the makeup shits that I forgot yesterday. Sorry. And then I thought of my like movies and videos and shit that I've been watching that I like. I've been watching the new Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and it's okay. I like it. It's creepy. It's nothing like the one that was on years ago where it was funny and cutesy and all that. Apparently that one was based on the old comics. This one's based on the new comics. But it's not cutesy and it's not silly. Like, it's kind of creepy. But it's good. And then I watched... Oh, on accident. I don't really like watching Christmas movies before Thanksgiving is over. And I kind of put it on. I was like, ah, shit, it's a Christmas movie. But I started it, so I had to finish it. But it was the holiday calendar with that chick that plays Bonnie from Vampire Diaries. And I really liked it. I'm usually pretty good at guessing, especially in those kind of movies. Guessing what happens at the end. And everything I thought was going to happen didn't happen. So that was a plus. I haven't really noticed any new movies out. There's nothing I really want to see either. Why do they keep remaking The Grinch? Like, what's the big fucking deal? It was only one book. They've remade it. There's the original cartoon, which is the best. You can't really do better than that. There's one with Jim Carrey that was great. Now they're doing some other shit. Stop remaking movies. Come up with a fucking original idea. Come on now. Oh, I guess that was a little rant. Sorry. So I think that's it this time for real. I just checked my thing and nothing's hiding anymore. So, thanks for watching part 2. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.